Good morning, everybody. It is Tuesday and we're going on another adventure. Yeah. Okay, we made it onto the trailhead. This is supposed to lead us to Lulumahu Falls, and we just met. Oh, this way.
Sure it's this way?
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah. Well, I'm not sure, but hey, let's do it. Okay, we're on the right path. Hopefully. We're getting ideas. We're getting directions from. Yeah, we're getting directions from Yelp and other YouTube videos. So. Let's see how it gets on. We made it. Okay, so when we were at the waterfall, we got rained out, so there's only like a little bit of footage from it. We got rained out, and we pretty much rushed for nothing. Because as you can see, it's not raining. Oh crap. But now we're following these girls. Is that kind of loud? A little bit. Kind of, because we came a different way. We came from over there when the actual trailhead is over there. Oh wait, what? So they're going that way. Those guys went that way. Alright everybody, so we decided not to go to the ruin. You changed your... Oh, we decided not to go to the ruins, so I'm just gonna end it here. Thanks for watching. Peace, bye.